Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick look video at some AcmeTools that I picked up, or tools that I picked up at AcmeTools. And we'll be doing separate unboxings for these as well. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. So we're going to start this video off as I'm wearing a couple items. I'm wearing Stephen Cox's hat from Stephen Cox YouTube. He always says get out and fix something. I'll put his channel up in the description, or not in the description, but up in a card up here. And I'm also wearing 4IM Caper shirt, which is this guy's garage. He's got a YouTube channel. I think he changed his name to This Guy's Garage instead of 4IM Caper, but go check him out. I'll put a card up here for his channel as well. So let's get started. Alright, so I bought both of these from AcmeTools at the same time. I did not get one of the items because it's back ordered. It's out of stock. So I bought the M18 Fuel Gen 2 blower, which is item number 2724-20, bare tool. And they're doing a promo at AcmeTools, so I got the Milwaukee Simultaneous dual rapid charger for free. That's what's didn't show up. It's back ordered, or it's either back ordered or it's just out of stock. It says usually ships in 5 to 6 weeks. I also picked up at the exact same time this Dewalt 60 volt max lithium ion Flexvolt brushless kit. So it comes with, I don't have any 9 amp hour batteries, which I have some Flexvolt batteries and I'll show you guys real quick. I have 4 of these. I have the 6 amp hour, so it's a 2 amp hour 60 volt, and it's a 6 amp hour 20 volt. I have 4 of these. There's 3 right here, and then I have 1 sitting in that fan right there on my desk. Now, I didn't have any 9 amp hours. I don't have any 12 amp hours. I don't have any of the bigger batteries. This is the only this is not the only Flexvolt tool I own. I own the Recip and this, and I think something else. But I got the 6 amp hour batteries in like a drill kit, and this one blows a little bit stronger than this one, as well as this one has more CFM, or cubic feet a minute, than this one. This Flexvolt is DCB L772X1. Dog Charlie Bravo Lima 772 X-Ray 1. So this is just a quick video. I was hoping they were going to come in Acme tool boxes and or Acme boxes, and I was going to have you guys do the guess what's in the boxes, but they didn't come like that. They came, you know, with stickers and shipping stickers on them. You know, it is what it is. We'll do separate videos for both of these, and we'll do unboxings, and I'll see you guys in that video. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.